us solve more example in problem set 3. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative. Answer the question. Number 1. If two sides of a triangle are 5 cm and 1.5 cm, then length of third side cannot be dash dash. 4 options are given. Here we know the property of triangle, that is sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than third side. So here take one by one option. Here option number A, 3.7, 3.7, 1.5 and 5. In this 5 is the largest side of triangle. Take sum of this 1.5 and 3.7. 1.5 plus 3.7 equal to 5.2. Means sum of two sides of triangle 5.2 is greater than third side 5 cm. So this 3.7 is the length of third side. So this option is not correct. Then take option B, 4.1. Then this 1.5 plus 4.1 equal to 5.6. This 5.6 is greater than third side 5. Therefore, this is also the length of third side. Option C, 3.8 cm. 1.5 plus 3.8 equal to 5.3. 5.3 is greater than 5. Therefore, this option C, this 3.8 is also length of third side. Then remaining option is the correct option. But here let us check. 3.4 plus 1.5. 1.5 plus 3.4 equal to 4.9. The sum of these two sides equal to 4.9 is less than 5. Therefore, here this 3.4 centimeter length, this length of third side cannot be 3.4 centimeter. So correct option is 3.4 centimeter. So write the answer of 1, that is option number B, and also write the answer 3.4 centimeter. Question number 2. In triangle PQR, if angle R greater than angle Q, then dash dash. Triangle is given. First draw a rough figure of triangle PQR. In this given, angle R is greater than angle Q. Suppose this is angle PQR and angle R is greater than angle Q. Angle R is greater than angle Q. Side opposite to R is PQ. We know the property. The angle opposite, side opposite to greatest angle is greater. So side opposite to R is PQ is greater than side opposite to Q is PR. So from this figure, this PQ greater than PR is a truth statement. So let us check the statement. Here option B given, PQ greater than PR. So option B is the correct option. So answer is option B, that is PQ greater than PR. Question number 3. In triangle TPQ, angle T is given 65 degree, angle P equal to 95. Which of the following statement is true? First, two angles of triangle are given. Find the third angle, that is angle Q. So in triangle TPQ, angle T plus angle P plus angle Q equal to 180 degree. Sum of measures of all sides of triangle is 180. Angle T equal to 65 degree, angle P equal to 95 degree and angle Q. Therefore, this is 160 degree plus angle Q equal to 180 degree. And therefore, this angle Q equal to 20 degree. Observe, In this triangle TPQ, the smallest angle is angle Q. So this angle Q less than angle T, less than angle P. Here also side opposite to greater angle is also greater. So angle P is greater, its opposite side is greater. So here angle Q, its opposite side is TP. This TP less than side opposite to angle T is PQ, less than side opposite to angle P is TQ. So this statement is true. So check. First, take option number A. PQ less than TP. PQ less than TP. But here PQ is greater than TP. So option A is not correct. Then PQ less than TQ. Here PQ less than TQ. This option is correct. But see option D. In option D also given this PQ less than TQ. In here this PQ less than TP less than TQ. But here this TP is the smallest side. So option D is not correct. So correct option is option B. PQ less than TQ. This is also not correct option. This TQ is here greater than TP. Here TQ is less than TP. So option B is correct option. So right here option B, that is PQ less than TQ. Example number 2. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Segment BD and segment CE are medians. Show that BD equal to CE. First, I draw a figure. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC and segment BD and CE are median. Take D is the midpoint of AC. So this BD is median. Also E is the midpoint of AB. So this CE is also median. Then show that this BD equal to CE. Here given that this BD is a median, means D is a midpoint of AC. Therefore this AD equal to DC equal to half of AC. Point D is midpoint of segment AC. Reason BD is median. Therefore this AD equal to DC equal to half of AC. Number 1. Also point E is midpoint of segment AB because CE is median and therefore this AE equal to EB equal to 1 by 2 AB. Number 2. But given that this AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, reason given. Multiply this by 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 AB equal to 1 by 2 AC. Reason multiplying by 1 by 2. From 1 and 2, half of AB. Half of AB means this AE equal to half of AC. Here, half of AC equal to AD. Number 3, division from 1 and 2. This A equal to AD. Then observe the two triangles. Triangle ADB and triangle AEC. In these two triangles, this angle BAD congruent to angle CAE, common angle, and this AB congruent to AC is given. Also, these two sides A equal to AD. Here we prove that. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. So first we prove that two triangles are congruent. Consider the triangle. In triangle ADB and triangle AEC. Here AB congruent to AC. Segment AB congruent to segment AC. Reason given. Here given. Then angle BAD congruent to angle CAE. Reason common angle. Also, this AD congruent to AE from 3. AD equal to AE. So, segment AD congruent to segment AE. Reason from 3. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent to triangle AEC by SAS test. And if triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are also congruent. Therefore, this segment BD congruent to segment EC. Therefore, segment BD congruent to segment EC. Reason corresponding sides of congruent triangle, and therefore this BD equal to EC. Here we prove that, show that this BD equal to CE. Example number 3. In triangle PQR, if PQ greater than PR and bisector of angle Q and angle R intersect at S, as shown in figure, show that this SQ greater than SR. Here, given that in triangle PQR, this PQ greater than PR. Reason given. We know the property of triangle. The angle opposite to greater side is greater. Therefore, angle opposite to PQ is angle PRQ. Angle PRQ greater than angle opposite to PR is PQR. PQR. Reason angle opposite to greater side is greater. Multiplying this by 1 by 2, 1 by 2 angle PRQ greater than 1 by 2 angle PQR. Number 1. Reason multiplying by 1 by 2. Then this ray QS bisector of angle PQR given. Therefore, this angle SQR equal to half of angle PQR. Reason number 2, reason is ray QS bisect angle PQR. Also, this ray RS bisect angle PRQ. So, angle SRQ equal to half of angle PRQ. Number 3, here also ray RS bisect angle PRQ. From 1, 2 and 3, at the place of half PRQ, put angle SRQ. That is angle SRQ greater than. At the place of half PQR, put angle SQR. From 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, observe here, in triangle SQR, angle SRQ greater than angle SQR. SRQ greater than angle SQR. Therefore, in triangle SRQ, we know the property. This side opposite to greater angle is greater. So, side opposite to SRQ is SQ greater than SR. Here reason is side opposite to greater angle is greater. Hence, we prove or show that this SQ is greater than SR. Question number 4. In figure, point D and E are on side BC of triangle ABC such that this BD equal to CE and AD equal to AE. Show that triangle ABD congruent triangle ACE. First, observe this figure. Here, in this triangle ADE, this AD segment AD congruent to segment AE given. So, here I write in triangle ADE segment AD congruent to segment AE. This is given. Therefore, angle opposite to congruent side are also congruent. Isosceles triangle theorem. Therefore, angle ADE congruent to angle AED. Reason, this is number 1, and reason isosceles triangle theorem. See here, these two angles are angles in linear pair. These two angles are also angles in linear pair. So I write angle ADB plus angle ADE equal to 180 degree. Also, angle AEC plus angle AED equal to 180 degree. Reason, angles in linear pair. but from 1 this ADE congruent to ADE congruent to angle ADE. These two angles are congruent from 1. Therefore, these two angles are also congruent. Therefore, angle ADB congruent to angle AEC from 1. This is number 2. Then consider these two triangles. In these two triangles, this side AD congruent to side AE. These two angles are congruent from 2 and this BD congruent to CE given. So, here I write in triangle ADB and triangle AEC, segment AD congruent to segment AE. Reason given. Angle ADB congruent to angle AEC from 2. Segment BD congruent to segment CE. Reason given. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent triangle AEC by SAS test. Example number 5. In figure, point S is any point on side QR of triangle PQR. Prove that this PQ plus QR plus RP greater than 2PS. So, we know the property of triangle. Sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than third side. So, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Therefore, consider this triangle PQS. In this triangle, PQ plus QS is greater than PS. Therefore, in triangle PQS, PQ plus QS is greater than PS. Number 1. Similarly, in triangle PSR, this SR plus PR greater than PS. Similarly, in triangle PSR, this PSR plus PR greater than PS. Number 2. Adding 1 and 2, we have this PQ plus QS plus SR plus PR greater than PS plus PS. Here QS plus SR, from figure QS plus SR equal to QR because Q dash S dash R. So here this PQ plus QR plus PR greater than PS plus PS to PS. Reason Q dash S dash R. Here we prove that this PQ plus QR plus PR is greater than 2PS. Example number 6. Figure is given. In figure, bisector of angle BAC intersects side BC at point D. Then prove that this AB is greater than BD. Here, ray AD is bisector of angle BAC. So, given in triangle ABC, given that ray AD bisects angle BAC. This is given. Therefore, this angle BAD congruent to angle DAC, that is angle BAD equal to angle DAC, number 1. Here, this angle ADB is an exterior angle of triangle ADC. Angle ADB is an exterior angle of triangle ADC, and exterior angle is greater than its remote interior angle. So, angle ADB is greater than angle DAC, exterior angle theorem or property of exterior angle. But from 1, at the place of DAC, put angle BAD. Therefore, angle ADB greater than angle BAD from 1. But observe, this angle ADB greater than angle BAD. Therefore, in this triangle ADB, side opposite to greater angle is greater. Therefore, in triangle ADB, side opposite to greater angle is greater. Greater angle is ADB. ADB, its opposite side is AB. Therefore, this AB greater than BD. Reason, side opposite to greater angle is greater. Hence, we prove that this segment AB or AB is greater than BD. Question number 7. In figure, segment PT is the bisector of angle QPR. A line through R and parallel to segment PT intersect ray QP at point S. Then prove that this PS equal to PR. We have to prove that this PS equal to PR. This PT is parallel to SR is given. So first, here given this ray PT is bisector of angle QPR. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. So here angle QPT congruent to angle TPR. Number 1, reason, ray PT bisect angle QPR. Here given this segment PT parallel segment SR and this line PR is the transversal. Therefore, these two angles, angle TPR and angle PS are congruent, alternate angles. So, segment PT parallel segment SR and line PR is transversal. Therefore, angle TPR congruent angle PRS. Number 2, reason, alternate angles. Also, this segment PT parallel segment SR and this line QS is a transversal. Therefore, this angle QPT congruent to angle PSR. Reason, corresponding angles. So, segment PT parallel segment SR and line QS is transversal. Therefore, angle QPT congruent to angle PSR. Number 3, reason corresponding angles. Observe from 1, 2 and 3. Here angle TPR congruent angle PRS, angle QPT congruent angle PSR, but these two angles are congruent from 1. That is LHS of 2 and 3 equal. These two angles are congruent. Therefore, these angles PRS and PS are also congruent. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, in triangle PSR, angle PRS congruent to angle PSR. Here in triangle PSR, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, by converse of isosceles triangle, side opposite to congruent angles are also congruent. These two sides are also congruent. Means this PS segment PS congruent to segment PR. Reason converse of isosceles triangle theorem, and therefore this PS equal to PR. Hence we prove that this PS equal to PR. Example number 8. In figure, segment AD perpendicular segment BC. Segment A is bisector of angle CAB and C'-E''D. Prove that this angle DAE equal to 1 by 2 in bracket angle B minus C. We have to prove, observing the figure, this angle DAE is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket angle B minus angle C. First, given that segment A bisect angle BAC. So, angle BAE congruent angle EAC. Reason segment AE bisect angle BAC. Let this angle BAE equal to angle EAC equal to X. Now, this angle BAD plus angle DAE equal to angle BAE. Angle addition postulate. Angle BAD plus angle DAE equal to angle BAE. Number 1, reason angle addition postulate. Put value of X, that is angle BA equal to X. Therefore, angle BAD plus angle DAE equal to X, and therefore angle DAE equal to X minus angle BAD. Number 2. Also, this angle DAE plus angle EAC equal to angle DAC. Angle DAE plus angle EAC equal to angle DAC. Reason as per 1 means angle addition postulate. Put value of angle EAC X, that is angle DAE plus X equal to angle DAC, and therefore angle DAE equal to angle DAC minus X. Number 3. Number 3. Adding this 2 and 3, we have angle DAE plus angle DAE to angle DAE. Add the RHS of this X minus angle BAD plus angle DAC minus X. Reason adding 2 and 3. And therefore, this 2 angle DAE equal to x minus x get cancelled. Therefore, this angle DAC minus angle BAD. Number 4. In figure, this angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree. Given angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree given. Then observe that this angle ADB is an exterior angle of triangle ADC, and exterior angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. Theorem of remote interior angle. So I write down here. Angle ADB is an exterior angle of triangle ADC. Therefore, this angle ADB equal to angle ADB equal to angle DAC plus angle DCA plus angle DCA. Number 5. And reason, theorem of remote interior angle. But this ADB is 90 degree. So 90 degree equal to angle DAC, and this angle DCA. Angle DCA means angle C. So I write here this angle DAC equal to 90 degree minus angle C. Number 6. Also, this angle ADC is an exterior angle of triangle ADB. So, angle ADC is an exterior angle of triangle ADB, and also this ADC equal to angle ADC equal to angle ABD plus angle BAD. Reason, theorem of remote interior angle. So as per 5, put value of ADC 90 equal to angle BABD means angle B plus angle BAD. Therefore, this angle BAD equal to 90 degree minus angle B. Number 7. Here we find the value of angle DAC and angle BAD in 6 and 7. Put the value of this DAC in 4. Put value of BAD from 7 in 4. We have this angle 2DAE to angle DAE. Put value of DAC. Value of DAC is 90 degree minus angle C minus value of BAD from 7, 90 minus angle B. here from 4, 6 and 7. Here we put value of this DAC and BAE in equation 4. So we have this angle, 2 angle DAE equal to 90 degree minus angle C minus 90 degree plus angle B, and therefore this 2 angle DAE equal to 90 degree minus 90 degree get cancelled, that is angle B minus angle C, and therefore angle DAE equal to 1/2 angle B minus angle C.